dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2018 Acura CDX smart key.
Program the smart key. What we need to be prepared is the K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, and 2 smart key to be programmed. Now plug in OBD communication cable. The first step is smart key generation, Acura, CDX. Select the first menu. The smart key produced by Lonsdor. Put into the card slot. Click Generation. Generate successful. Return to main menu. The second step is IMO and remote. Find Acura. Select from type. Smart key. Button 3. Select all smart key lost. Click OK according to the prompts. Take all the smart keys out of the car and click OK. Put 1 smart key in the car. Click OK. Because what we do is all keys lost, so the ignition switch won't turn on. Click Cancel. Long press the ignition switch and don't release it. The ignition switch is on. Please release the engine start button and click OK. Because the key is 47 chip, so click Cancel. Enter the number of keys to program to. OK. Take out the other smart keys and click OK. Put another smart key in the car. Click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Please check whether the security light is off. Turn off and click OK. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn off the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Turn on the ignition switch within 15 seconds. Count of the programmed keys to. Click OK. Program complete. OK. Now, let's see if the keys work. First key, step on the brake and press the start button. The first key started successfully. Second key, step on the brake and press the start button. The second key was successfully started. Let's try to see if the remote control works. First key, lock car. Unlock. The first key is normal. The second key, lock, unlock. The second key is normal.
We have programmed smart key for 2018 Acura CDX. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more supply ahead.